My name is John Frank, and you're watching this video because you want to know what your Michigan auto accident case is worth. At its most basic level, the auto accident has to be the other driver's fault, which means that they rear-ended you, or perhaps they disregarded a stop sign or a yield sign or some other traffic control device. And the auto accident has to be one which causes a threshold injury, one of three things. Someone had to die in this auto accident, somebody had to sustain some type of permanent scarring, or had to have sustained injuries which meet a minimum threshold, which in Michigan we call serious impairment. The more significant the injuries and losses that result from an auto accident, the more the case is going to be worth. And over time, I'm going to be posting videos on YouTube explaining this in greater detail. What makes an injury a serious impairment injury? Basically two components. First, your auto accident related injuries have to be objectively plain to see on some type of objective reproducible diagnostic examination. Now, you see the word objective injury is very important here. I've repeated it a couple of times. It has to be plain to see. For anyone reading an x-ray, an EMG, a CT scan, anything of that nature, and there are other tests that can be used, but you get the idea. This has to be something that requires more than patient complaint or the word ouch. Secondly, your auto accident related injuries have to adversely impact the way you live your normal daily life. And for most people, this means their work, their play, their relationships, their normal daily functions of living, like getting into and out of bed, their ability to sleep through the night, etc. So when we get together, we'll discuss in detail how the accident and your injuries have negatively impacted your ability to live your normal daily life. I hope you'll pay attention in the coming weeks and months to my website, www.johnfranklaw.com. Again, John without the H. We'll be posting information on how you yourself can figure out an approximate range of what your case is worth. Yes, this is about introducing myself to you as a lawyer, and I hope you will let me put my 30 years of experience to work for you. However, this is also about empowering you, and not just empowering you to fill out a contact form to get hold of me. I will do that, but I also want to empower you with information to make more meaningful our first conversation, or whatever conversation you might have with someone else. I will also be posting information on my practice areas: auto accidents, injuries and insurance, drunk driving, driver's license restoration, criminal defense, and various other litigation matters, and I hope you'll find it interesting and worthwhile. Until then, my name is John Frank in the great community of Richmond, Michigan. My phone number is 877-FRANK-LAW or 877-372-6552, and you can contact me through my website, again, www.johnfranklaw.com, John without the H. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.